Hello and good morning. My name is Harry Samuels, and I am a representative for Team Koalificated. We are a group of sophomore animal science majors on the pre-veterinary track. And today we're here to pitch you artificial insemination robotic technology, or AirTech for short, which is a non-invasive artificial insemination alternative that we are proposing. Artificial insemination as it is performed now involves the artificial inseminator reaching into the rectum of the cow, and then they reach down through the lower intestine in order to manipulate the cervix so they can pass an AI rod through the cervix in order to deposit the semen in the uterus. This can cause physical problems for the inseminator due to the pressure of the area that they're putting their hand, and it can also cause physical and mental distress. This is obviously also very stressful for the cow and causes a good deal of discomfort due to this rectal manipulation, and this actually can cause the cow to shift and move around, which creates a physical hazard for the inseminator because they can be stepped on. Now, in terms of the farm generally, the variations in each inseminator's ability to perform this task affects greatly the conception rates of artificial insemination, which means that if you have less skilled artificial inseminators, you're going to see less fruitful results from this, which is a big deal because you need the insemination to be successful in order to have a milk producing cow, and you're going to lose out on a full month of milk production due to the need to wait for the next estrus cycle. Additionally, this needs to be performed in a small window of 18 hours. That's the estrus window. And if you miss this window, then again, you're going to have to wait another month, which can be a big cost for a farm that is small or large. So our solution proposes using soft robotics for artificial insemination. So what a soft robot is a robot that uses air pressure in order to inflate and lengthen using a soft and malleable material that would reduce internal pressure or discomfort and conform to varied physical environments, such as the cervix. So we would create a device that will move through the reproductive tract by pressurizing the soft robot at the cervical opening in order to move through it without the need for manipulation from the user. Then when it enters the uterus, there will be a drop in the pressure, signaling to the user that they've entered the uterus, and they can release the sperm using smaller, more concentrated doses thanks to microfluidic separation. So here is our prototype. We use a somewhat standard AI device. However, now the metallic housing is only inserted up to the vagina, which is then pressed against the cervix, allowing the soft robot to extend through the cervix. The PSI meter will then indicate when you have reached the uterus, allowing for easy and effective deposition using the air syringe. Now I'm going to hand it over to Daeden to talk about the expansions for this product.
Thanks, Harry. While our AI device is great for manual use, Team Koalificated can also envision AirTech's application on a much larger scale. Specifically, we would like to see our model integrated into existing technology that utilizes automatic milking robot systems. This allows farms to omit intensive human labor, thereby reducing the aforementioned labor costs. AirTech can also be used with all livestock that require AI, including but not limited to mares and sows, allowing for future products and increased marketability over time. The silicon used to make the soft robots is quite affordable for any type of farm operation, and not only that, the dairy industry is moving towards larger scale operations in the future. As it stands, 55% of farms in the US are operations with over 1,000 cows, making them medium to large scale. AirTech is also quite time cost efficient, allowing for more precise use within the small window of estrus and omitting the window of time required to train inseminators, which can be up to 2 to 3 days and $700 to $800 per certification, which must be renewed annually. Robots in dairy cattle also save approximately $44,000 per year per farm in labor with milking robots. So our technology, when integrated, can be expected to be proportionate.
Overall, we are creating a non-invasive, faster, and easier artificial insemination technique using a new adaptive technology in the form of soft robots in a growing industry with room to improve. Thank you.